All right. Well, let's figure out this one. We're going to do some more trinomials. This is the last of 4 tutorials on how to factor using what I refer to as the AC method. You can find many different tutorials on how to use this method, and I think it's pretty cool. Has a lot of good mathematical principles and really kind of breaks it down pretty easily in how you can factor um, trinomials, quadratic trinomials, pretty simply. So without further ado, let's try this problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the AC method. All right, so we're going to look for AS squared plus B times S plus C. Okay, so look at this method. We're going to take 6 times our C value, so 6 is our A, and C is our 20, so we're going to have that, and we get 120. Holy cow, that is huge. All right, so we're going to take 120, trying to figure out the factors of 120. That will give us our B value, and our B value, drum roll please, is 23. All right, so let's see if we can figure this out. Well, 120 times 1. Now, if you get started doing this, you kind of know we're going to take the sum of these and it has to equal 23. 120 plus 1 is not going to be, I'm not even going to do it. All right, another one is what we have is, let's think of some other ones. 60, all right, 60 times 2. No, that's going to be 62, so 60 plus 2 is going to be 60. So I'm going to do that one. That's not to worry about. Let's think of the other ones. 3, all right, so we have that. Go to 3 here. 3 times 40, all right, 3 times 40 is going to go 120, and that's going to equal 43. So that doesn't work. All right, 43, so that one no worko. All right, 4. All right, we have 4 times 30, right? 4 times 30 equals 120. That's 30 plus 4, which is 34. We're getting closer, All right. 5, I have a good sense of this one. 5 times, what is that going to be? 5, 2. 2 is, we have 5. 5 times, I can't think. 24, right? 24? Is that right? 2, yeah, 24. So we have 24 plus 5, that equals 29. All right, 29. All right, well, let's keep on going. Hopefully something will pop up. And if we go 6, all right, 6, we got 6 and 20. All right, so 20 plus 6, that equals 26. No, getting closer. 7, does 7 work? We plug in 7. 7, no, 8. I think 8 will work. 8, we divide that into there. 8 times what? We have that 16. Is that right? No? What do we have here? Well, we have, okay, if we get stuck, let's put up a little calculator here, all right? Let's see if this works out. So if you're not sure, all right, 120, let's divide that by 8, and what do we get here? 15, so 15 right there, all right? And that is going to equal, oh, hello, what we got here? Okay, there we are. We're back, better than ever. Oops, hello. Move this stuff over here, okay. And what do we got then? Golly gee willikers. All right, let's clean this up a little bit. I apologize. All right, so 8 times 15. So 15 plus 8 equals, hey, we found it, 23. Yes, 23. Okay. So what do we have to do next? So those are our factors. So 6s squared plus the 15s plus 8s, because we're going to use our b factors, which are wrote there. All right, right there. And then we're going to add plus 20. Okay. Now, after that, we're going to group our 2 terms, our front and back. We're going to do a little grouping here. What can we factor out? It appears we can factor out a 3 and an s. And what we have left over is s plus 5. I'm sorry, 2s plus 5. I'm sorry, 2s plus 5. All right. And right over here, it looks like we can factor out a 4. So I'll pick up 4 here. What we have then is 2s plus 5. Hey, it is true. So we have 2s plus 5. And what we have then is what's left over. Oops, golly, geographers. I am writing horribly right now. Times 3s plus 4. When we factor out that, we have 3s plus 4 remaining, and that is the factor of that one. Wow, 120. That was pretty impressive. All right, so we got that one. Okay, not too bad. I had to go through a couple extra problems. All right, but yeah, obviously when you see this, you probably can skip some of the top ones. All right, as you're going through this and get a little better, and you can think of some of the Miller ones as you're going through here. Let's try one more, and here we go. We have this one, which is the same as the one we just did. Oh my goodness, that is embarrassing. All right, well, let's figure out a different one. I'm going to do a different one. I'm going to have 9, let's go 9x squared plus 30x plus 25. All right, plus 25. Let's try this one and see how this one goes. All right, let's try to factor this puppy. All right, let's go AC. All right, so we got 5 times 25. 5 times 25, that's going to be 225. Not sure, you can go on your old calculator right here. All right, 25 times 9, and there we go, 225. Okay, so that's what we got right there. All right, 225. Next one we're going to do is we're going to look at our B value. Our B value is 30. All right, so there's our B value. And let's figure out these factors. That will give us 30. All right, I'm not going to start with 225. All right, let's go a little bit smaller right away. I don't know, let's go, what do you think? Um, let's see if I clear this out. 225 times 1, that's not going to work, so I'm not going to worry about that one. All right. If we go, so that's not working. Let's go 225 times 3. Would that work? What is that? What's that? 225 times 3. What is? There we go. All right, what is 225 divided by 3? I think that has a 75. All right, 225 divided 3 is 75. So 75 times 3. All right, add those together, and that's going to be 78. 75 plus 3 is 78. Okay, well, getting closer to 30, I guess. Let's keep on going. Does 4 work? I don't think 4 works. So it's 5. Let's check out 5. What do we have? 5. All right, so 5. Divide that into 225. That's 45. Okay, so we got 5 times 45. That's going to give us 50. So we add those together. 50. That's not going to. I was getting closer though. 6, 7. Would 7 work? All right. Let's check this out. Let's go 225 divided by 7. Does that give us a number? No, that doesn't work out. 225 divided by 8. No, that doesn't work out. 225 divided by 9. We know that's going to be. 225 divided by 12? No. 225 divided by 13? No. 225 divided by, what else can we do? We got 10 will work. Let's give us a decimal 2. 225 divided by 15. That'll work, right? 15. Duh. Oh my goodness. What were we thinking? I wasn't thinking. You weren't thinking. Or maybe you were thinking. I can't hear you because I'm on this thing. But 15 times 15, that is going to be a perfect square. Oh my goodness, why didn't we just start with that? Some of you are probably yelling out at home saying, it's a perfect square, it's going to be 15. Oh my goodness, yes, that is 30, so we got that. All right, so we're going to have 9x squared plus 15x plus 15x plus 25. We're going to factor out a common thing. We have 3x. Right here is going to be 3x plus 5. Over here, we're going to factor out a 5. And guess what we have? 3x plus 5. This is a perfect square. These are the same, so we factor this out. 3x plus 5. This right here and this right here, we have 3x plus 5 remaining. Right there. We can write this as 3x plus 5, this quantity squared. There we have it. Okay. I hope that wasn't too long for you. I don't do these problems beforehand. The reason why is because I want to show you the problem solving process in doing them and how you can figure out how to do them, how I figure them out, so you can also know how to figure them out as well. All right. So the AC method. All right. Take A and C, multiply them together. All right. Get some large values. Kind of look for factors that have to equal, added together, the sums have to equal the B value. Finally got this one, perfect square. It was well worth it. But I hope this helps you out in doing the rest of your problems. No matter how big or small, the AC method can break them down them all. All right, well, good luck and God bless in the rest of your problems.